So you might be wondering, do we know what we're doing? No. Do you have instructions? No. I mean, how hard could it be? We're just taking out some pipes and putting in some new pipes. Garbage. Garbage. Hell no. Today, Lucas and I are installing a cold air intake on his Pontiac G8. Should be a pretty easy install. He got a really good deal off eBay for it. So we're gonna put it on and see what happens. Okay, so first we're gonna start out by just taking out all this right here, go. What is this air filter? Let me see it. What is it? Holy shit. So to take out the original, Senor, can I talk? So to take out the original air, to take out the original air intake, all you're gonna need is, are you okay? No. So to take out the original air intake, you're gonna need to take a hose clamp off of here, unplug the sensor, and then this box can just come right out after you unplug this hose right here. You need 2 10s right here to take this box out, and then it should just slide out. And then we'll work on the new intake. Now we're cooking with peanut oil again. That was a boner killer. Vamos! So we got it all out. Now we're gonna put in the new pipes. New pipe? Rusty pipe. Just a good pipe. So first step is gonna be getting your heat shield and putting the clamp on the back, as Lucas is demonstrating right now. The next step is going to be putting your clamp and heat shield in the car and mounting that up before we get the rest in, which will go schmear. After you get the heat shield in place, you're going to use the 2 bolts, one right down there, and then one right there. Those are going to be the 2 bolts that you originally took out. And we're going to need to use one piece from the old cold air intake, this little metal hose, right? No, this, yeah, the sensor part. We need the sensor part. My people! Alright, so
I don't like the way that looks.
as Lucas is fixing his mistakes, like normal, so the pieces you're going to reuse are just the MAF sensor, or this sensor, whatever it's called. And you're going to need to reuse you don't reuse that, it should come with whatever cold air intake you got. You're just gonna hook that clamp up to the O2 sensor. Then you're gonna take your new pipes, and your new pipes will go just like A, and you hook it on to both sides, and then I think you're done. Oh, yeah. We need our cone. Okay, so we're just finishing up installing the air intake, and what we did for the last piece, your last pipe. And I put in right here, and make sure this clamp is tight, and then you're gonna use your last available hose extension piece and clamp that on there. Clamp it on here. Make sure your O2 sensor is on the same size as your plug-in, and then we're gonna finish up. Okay, so one last little hiccup. We're gonna have this hose, the crankcase vent tube, and we're gonna have to like cut it and stuff to make it sure it fits onto this
it's too long, right?
This coupling right here. And once you do that, it will be done. So we're gonna figure out how to cut it and stuff.
Your price is way too high, you need to cut it.
Mr. Lou got frustrated with the little knife. Perfect.
The most makeshift shit ever, and it works.
And with that, you're done with your cold air intake install.
Oh.
And your last step, finishing off your cold air intake install, you're gonna put on the cone. Just put on your cone, man. Not garbage. Let's see if he throws any codes here. That was really close. Alright, so Lucas and I finished up with that cold air intake install. It's a pretty simple one. There's a local meet in town, so we're gonna just go to a little car meet and just see what it's like, and wash our cars and finish up with the day.